Happy Thursday, y'all. So, I wanted to come on here, y'all, because I am having lunch. So I said, well, let me highlight my people while I'm having lunch. Mm. Okay, I'm having french fries. I got a little ham. And it's this bread called Sandwich Skinnies. Multi-grain. See? And see how thin the bread is? Whoops. That's how thin it is, y'all. My hand. It's just a thin piece of bread. And it's called Skinnies. Sandwich Skinnies. And it's multi-grain. It's really good. This one is light. Oh. Well, it comes in this. Hopefully y'all can see that. And then inside of this Ziploc is the sandwich skinnies. And it's like extra sealing. It keeps it fresh. Deshaun, shut that door for me. And it's got a Ziploc on it, so it keeps it nice and fresh. I'm doing a video right now. So yeah, sandwich skinnies, y'all. Got it from the Dollar Tree. Not the Dollar Tree. I'm sorry, y'all. Aldi's. Aldi's. That's my favorite store, y'all. So